codes, all cheat codes right now. I'm about to give y'all a cheat code. Hi, can I get 2 cold brews with sweet cold foam, 3 caramel swirls, and for the dairy almond milk?
You said 3 caramel swirls with almond milk?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Nah. How much is that?
Your total is $11.90.
Alright. 40-calorie coffee, bro. That's drip. In the morning. Plus the pre in like the next 10 minutes.
But we were getting daily motivation. People were texting me talking about, yo, my guy, your content is sick. Keep it up. Mad potential. We're going to the moon with this. Come on, boys.
Come on, boys.
Post a certain picture, and I knew that certain girl was gonna swipe up to it. So you feel me? I called her on the line. I reeled it in. You feel me? And Kai saying I'm being an OnlyFans model. And I told him like one day, you know, they hit me up on the email like, yo, like one video, you make it out the hood.
What is it? No, cause yo, boy, I have to show y'all this. You know, I wanted to show you guys for a while. New pre. Yeah,
I mean, it's not new no more cause
it's not new anymore because it's almost done. But I gotta order another tub. But yeah, Gorilla, cop up. One day I'll have a code. Go back, look at this video right now. You see me with the Gorilla, right? You see it. Mark my words. In no more than 6 months, I'll have a code from Gorilla.
This the real deal, bitch. We don't do no bluffing. Color since I outraged, top bad day muffin. I can fit on more, but that's not up for no discussion. I done crashed the rainbow. My mind a bad place, that shit get ugly. I was in the land truck chopping the roof off. Yeah, I know it's kinda crazy. This lifestyle, I know it's kinda crazy, but I love it. Kinda crazy. Know it's kinda crazy, I sippin' tussy. Ain't that crazy? Know it's kinda crazy, this Tesla bustin'. Kinda crazy. Yeah, I know it's kinda crazy, I'm selling onions. Yeah, I know it's kinda lazy to be on us. It's crazy kinda high, like oh that the sun. Kinda crazy, how they hated when I was nothing. Kinda crazy, how they act like they wasn't doing it. Kinda crazy, I don't get no fuck at all. Yeah, kinda crazy, tell my bitch how to go in ball. Yeah, it's kinda crazy, I ain't give this shit my all. Kinda crazy that we disregard the law. Kinda crazy that you see the stuff you bought the West. Kinda crazy you was trying to get involved. Yeah, ain't it crazy, your little lady leave my bar. If she hate me cause I don't pick up a call. Yeah, I don't answer none. Bitch, you jumped the gun. Call me one too many times, I hit the block, boy. Kinda crazy, huh? Rich and I'm still selling, huh? I ain't going for none. I'm an astronaut. I be sober once a month so I could reset. Every time I do, I check my bank, my money tripled up. I ain't even trying, I just went in by the photo.
I know this video was probably short, but you know, I feel like I didn't upload in a while, so that's why I was kind of trying to just get something out, nice little quick workout in, you feel me? But most videos, like on my off days or things like that, I'll probably make them more creative, probably do more things in the vlog, things like that. Let me know if you guys enjoy the workout montages more than the actual vlog part, you get what I'm saying? But some updates is that, ooh, that's a nice SRT. Oh, that's a girl driving that SRT. Damn. But yeah, I'm gonna be training the next 2 months like I'm
competing.
But we're not competing.
Just know, we're locked in. We're about to really show y'all really what Gronds is. No more trolling, no more, you feel me? It's about time y'all really see Gronds for what it is. Next moves are the best moves. Remember this. What the fuck?
But yeah, no cap, like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to try and get shredded as fuck for the summer. Get all the milfs. I also plan on going to Alpha Land too, with the guys, you know, that's the thing. And yeah, I'm kind of tired. I did 15 minutes of cardio. So, I'm also gonna be doing cardio again later. I got 75 more minutes of cardio. I'm gonna be challenging myself to do 90 minutes of cardio every day I work out. If I have to break it up into parts, I'm gonna do that obviously. But I wanna see exactly how I'm gonna look two months after today of just strict dieting, strict hardcore cardio, and I wanna see how it gets me. But without further ado, just stay tuned for the journey. And yeah, be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and just grind.